Hey guys, want to do a quick video on how to change your LED colors on your head unit. So on my one, I've set it so it changes frequently, as you can see. Let me just turn off these lights so you can see more clearly. I've got my flashlight on so you can't see as well, but you can see it's changing different colors. So what I'm going to show you now is how to get that setting on your head unit. It might work on your one, it might not, or you might have that option, or it might be somewhere else. So without further ado, let's find that setting. So first you want to go to the settings, and then what you want to do is find the option where it says car, and then it keeps on changing focus. So you want to go to elements, and then here you've got all your kind of options. So at the moment I've set it to the different colors, but you can change it to solid colors. So you've got your red, green, blue, pink on all these different ones, and you can set it to your own kind of like choice. You can play around with that and get other different variations. So that was a quick video on how to change your LED lights on your head unit. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.